Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and in today's episode I'm going to cook Chhatu Besara, which is an Odia dish in which we cook mushrooms in mustard paste. Let's have a look at the main ingredients. You would need 1 cup of mushrooms. I have taken button mushrooms, 2 medium-sized potatoes which are peeled and diced. Let's prepare the mustard paste first. You need to take 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, a tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 to 3 garlic pods and 1 red dry chilli. Grind it into a very smooth paste. Let's start by chopping the mushrooms. Slice them into 4 pieces. We would also need 3/4 cup of chopped tomatoes. Let's begin the process by first adding 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a medium heated pan. Now saute the mushrooms in it. The mustard oil gives a very distinct flavor. Now add the chopped potatoes in it and let it brown a little. Add salt and turmeric powder. If you don't consume mustard oil, you can use any regular oil, but mustard oil definitely gives a very distinct flavor to the entire dish. Now that our mushrooms and potatoes are browned well and are half cooked, take them out in a bowl. Now let's start preparing the gravy. Take 1 tablespoon of oil in the same pan and add Panchohoron to it. Well, Panchohoron is a mix of mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek, nigella and fennel seeds. Add 1 red dry chilli and 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. Add in the tomatoes and let it cook well. Once the tomatoes have cooked well, add the mustard paste into it. Cook it for about 1 or 2 minutes. Don't cook it for a longer time, else it will turn bitter. Now add 2 cups of water into it. Well, in Odia dishes which use mustard paste, usually dry mango is added into the dish to make it a little tangy. If you don't have a dry mango, you can always add some extra tomatoes in the beginning. Once the gravy starts boiling, add the fried potatoes and mushrooms into it and give it a good mix. Cover and cook for about 10 minutes. Uncover and check if the potatoes are cooked. Well, mine are. You can sprinkle some red chili powder at this point. Well, for final garnish, sprinkle some cilantro and green chillies on top. Serve it with some hot steamed rice. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I shall meet you next week. Stay healthy and stay safe. And in our next episode, we are going to bake this eggless sponge cake. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest notification.